Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Beautiful brand new Street Glide in for an NVS Audio Stage 3. Bike sounds amazing. Factory finish. You can't tell we touched it. Ultra clean the way we like to do it. 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4 in the fairing. HKI Mini DSP with T-harness. Factory radio flashed. She's ready to go. You happy with the way it sounds?
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
More importantly, are you happy with the way it sounds?
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, Carlos. Greatly appreciate it.
My pleasure.
We got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright. Make you feel alright. Come on, baby, just.